na yenim se krono se ma yade a otumi se ahompo no ha papa che se amanfo amansan wiase nyina omsori a che se omotam kamara che se omehwe se krono se bi esi Ghana che se yakotwa report o BBC na CNN che se obi a won ampa krono se de e ba Ghana che se otumi se ba bia agidi ni amana man nyina so no ase e di kan bi sa na so na ntisa yenim se krono se de ewo wiase nyina na we de abetom de me wonwokora pronosem bi akoso a chese utumu se mekura medwen wa menti ase na be no wate da se obi eye video recording ana se wono wo ye TV adwuma abomoden wiase ni pa kronida yenhwe video ne mra ba na e machirechirim.
Okay, sorry. Give me. Phone. Give me the phone. What? Le moteur. No, I'm not. Give me. Now, it's not easy. Yeah? Come and keep. Hey, we're being mugged. We're being mugged.
What exactly happened there? Just take us through that.
Well, I mean, I was literally seconds before going on air for the 7 o'clock bulletin. I'd just done one at 6:30. And these guys just came. In fact, I was confused because remember, as you stand there, I was the only one with the light on. The light was on me. So everybody else was sort of, you can't see the other people because they're outside of the sort of little portion that's being lit. And then here comes this person like looking for a phone. And I had my phone in my hand because I had just spoken to the executive producer about the crossing we're about of the bulletin, about the crossing we're about to do. And then someone comes, I'm like, hey, what's your problem? You know? And then suddenly I'm like, it's all these strangers I don't know. Because I was wondering, I mean, who could like possibly, you know, disturb me while they know that we're like literally seconds before going on air? And it was this guy, so they were trying to, so he was looking for the phone. So because I wasn't giving him the phone, then he calls the other one who has a gun to say, you know, Dubula Lenja or something like that, you know. So at that point, like, you know, Sophie and them scream, just give him the phone, you know. So I give him the phone, and then, you know, they took, I think about 2 or 3 phones, my phone, Sophie's phone, I can't remember who else's phone, but also the laptop that we're using to, like, you know, do the crossing that was linked to the van, the DSNG van that we were using, and it just disappeared.
No more the answer chire say abra wo gina ye camera ni mu ache say wo fa oba be ma live presentation what mu say ba bi o gina no be ma reports just say ya frɛ no just wo tumi abetwa reports ba I was South Africa some na make you enti wo gina wona wo kasa na just say wo ye crowd wo ye call we afre executive producer we say oh ba bi adu de manya obia ne na bonko ma fe ni ba ba call live enti no monya crowd na just yentumi entwa bibia na ensam ne kire papa ne kire a wo gina na just wo ya just enkrofo ba say maza open e ha na we de Ghana pa ne si ya menya sure say nka presenter no be gina wo say wo gina ho atwen say monye ne niema na monko ida se mbirika na obesi ana akoetumi bo modin gina ho ache say wo mutumi gi ne phone wo kire mu say ne phone e no mo sa gi nkrofo mienu phone e kan ho ache say wo tumi say abra wo sem papa South Africa ni no watch reporter na kira na ura ho papa aye no wanwa say wo man ba bi adru South Africa pa wotumi say wo ko mani mo abrabum pa ati say enye small thing ye ka South Africa ho bie edinka ka kro no sema na je say enka nya ade anka wo say kosa na so we die wotumi say life we say life anka sanka ne je say wo twa de nje say ye tumi be attack na bji ye o say oh nenka empo nenka person ne ye somza so obisan say ba ne say na so wo frɛ ba ko a ogita tu otwe etu ni kolem Obamadi twi tuo ne kolem enti wo twi tuo de se wa nim se tuo de emu osum etuo mo osum nti obamadi twi tuo na so wo de anya hwe monje niema no afei kro san chem se mo laptop kra kan ho ache se wotimu se ade a eye papa ne ya papa na so na anya ba ne saa ne nkwa ene ade a hia na we no confirm ade a IGP kan o se wiase ba bia ni wa kro no nkoso eya monfa IGP bo nkoma no esan se ne nsem o ka no eje se ade no kre ozo pe ba bia kro no nkoso aje se heaven wonya du a pe eje se wotumi ada obetumi ada kro a wonto dem heaven se nye wa bansoro ho ye wata kwame ye wo bibia ho entudu na ko data kwame kro a ope kro wonto dan odu na obetumi ada yo nje se baba wa hayamu baba wo sirim baba wo timu nyina aje se ba bia ye guy obetumi ada che nanso no se ba asase we so dia aje se ba bia kro no ho a obi kro a wo twa life wo fa report na call live na so we dey ono ankasa twa no report first one ansa no wo ankasa wo dey report san ba ate so tumi se ya de a ye awra wo sema ate se atumi ato papa na so we den a ate se ya chine live atumi age no ne manyina sa ensem ya de abonkrofo mpa se Ghana ba bia du na ye empanifo na edi nsemfun kakra nso nya sa de a ka Ghana ba bia te no ke ye papa ate se wotumi se ye kro no sem ye reti ene South Africa ante obetumi on se omukosoro echen na nso ba mpuntu mu dia omusan kosoro echen kura age se wotumu se ampa de yakone de enye na nso no age se etena wo sa na ya to ensem no so a broken heart ya de age se wotumu se ya papa broken heart bebere na ebi achi da betumi adi wan dance media metie de ebi nya nchem ebi nchem na chem so ebi a Mesa be kana won so wate said the senefata ebi obi ogira ha bia ebi na bia chene da won so atifi ebi achew da wa onim said the tie ye kan broken heart yes akoma no bu wo de wakoma mo bia na la so wayi wa ma no ne broken heart original na we de awra wo sema aje so wotum se abayo bia abebo wade atena social media super papa wa ye yie wotumi abomwade aye yie we de enka ne se yi keke waye yi pa yi age se mu ye den pa na je so wotumi aye na yi na oye no oye no oye no tumi se yi no yade aye ne ya na ne nsem wo kire mu nyina ne se woni be ma bi atena ho be 3 solid years je se wotumi se ba se gala ne sa yi na omotumi ayo ne ma 3 years ye mu se muwa there's a neoma koso things knock things are knocking things there's a neoma tima bone man just nka aka 3 days keke as a brand ya bomode anka wodan ko kire busia so wabusua de adru de nenka menam wiase amanante abrabo ma che ya mabɔ me bra che ya meni abayo so no ifefe kokko kama yi na just men pesa men bobra nanso no wose woni ba bi e kofa abayo afi wo frɛ akoye wose bomfa afi kro friend kro switch off nada no hu no kro wo ben no kro na abrante tian no was eba ne sa na koma my heart broken just to me say gay so a wo kire nsem video no kro yetumi hu say wo de video na kire enioma pa de ma me ase da toma no ache se waboabo no ache se wedding nka bema no moka bema no moka hin kura dabi sansa bayo na budoma no so metumi acheche mu kura voice na wote nyese bia me chiti on dabi metumi acheche mu onyese nchese abayo no suwa amache se me kura meti abura kura ho papa ache se wotumi se we kura ye bi na ba ya ne wanhwe kura nka me wura ho sei abayo kama sei na wogyan odi uma mema eno ye sei eje ze otumi ze ade aro yehwe video ni mbra na wankasa ete nsem America yase
man passed away. And y'all talking about am I okay? No, I'm not okay. No.
I will tell you what I did. If you can tell me how to take a voice note from WhatsApp to TikTok, I will send everything for you to listen to them. Maybe you will know what I did. You will know that I did nothing but loving a cheater. You will know that I did nothing but wasting my good 3 years. That is the only mistake I made. You know my problem now. It is not about me. My mother, I don't know what to tell her. Her blood pressure is already high and she has always wanted this to happen because she has always wanted to see to see the day that she had to pray for me to start my own home because I'm the only daughter she has. I don't know how to pick up my. I promise you, I didn't do anything. He went for his dad's burial, and then he came back on Tuesday after going for his dad's burial. On Wednesday morning, we spoke. That in the evening, I wanted to call him. His phone was switched off. From the next day, his phone was still switched off. To the third day, I was at work. Then I had to leave the place. I was walking to go there, and then I saw him. Same person he was telling me that is his godmother. Actually, is the one he has been avoiding me. The woman has been in his house for like 3 days. She has been in the house. And then when I confronted him, he told me that he wanted to tell me, but he doesn't know how to present it. That the mother said that she's not really cool with him marrying somebody.
So tell me how's it feel? Tell me how's it feel? Sitting up there, feeling so high, but you're far away to hold me.
Said the video no ko abayo no super papa o tumi say ne nsam chimo se ne maame kura hwe se o se ade we de ne big dream say ono nko ane ne maame baba enti nka abranti de nka ba bia ofa nka ye ukonya obi a ne baba ba akosi a to bo ase no noche na krokro ne sa ne wankasa o tumi say yes and your my wedding na here what tumi say ya packaging na ma one daughter hey wase ne maame te kura hwe na koma bebu se grant to wono bewu ne maame be dikan wonti onim se kura ne obeka kire no wo de abayo a wo maame number fa mai ne yemfrɛ na wo de ye ntwantum se ye te ye de na afi no ye ne mon komo ne hu se de beko because wo ye wo maame baba ko de a wase hu se de ye betumi ano kye wafa atumi aye bibia kama odo de ye nim se wakoma kwhyemu a na so hunkodi ma age se ade a no hye na so we de wase da twe bucket si wa age se wosu wasu age se wose woda kora nyi wose wahwe kora wo bewu ansa kora asaman de kora frɛ na age se wotumi se yade ye ne ya papa emema yesrem wokofo ba wo no na ka tenze bra me ne odi agro ke sister bedum brebi no mentumi mfa nkosi aga nti upa bia enti ase na let's knock things and knocking things and things knock things that is yentumi enye ne o manjese yentumi nko anim na akose ne bo se me wale wo na eduro na wo nware na bra wo se nyame twa kakakra isa yes anya fine pese yo ma ba yo isun wo chese ne ma me kro wu a me so besu sei bo super papa otumu se ade a ahye na aye ne ya pa na nso no enya ba ne sa abasa mufanya me abasa ajese enya basa abayo aye de ayo de ya botre bomodia se ubrokin ato be ya na jese watumi akam over na jese watumi abomodia sampe hofro sa ye de futuo na ye de be ma etufu na wanti so akwante ade enti futuo na ye no a ene esesa de ma enti se ne ensem no mu bia de ebesom Attention TV ene ne ka tero so bomodia so be subscribe na watumi a share afesu no ye san ka tero so numbers no friend na afi ni endidwa na Attention TV ya marketers no mo so na jese adwumade ne ntumi nkoso pepe se de se na efata bedi am je so e Franco ku asante me ja se o de bre ene adaje na wo hwe me